was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a...
Good morning, welcome back to our channel. We're back with another video. Today, y'all, I'm about to clean my little baby room. As y'all see, we have literally stuff everywhere, new stuff that we bought and just sat in here. Putting more clothes up to refill and stock his closet. So, y'all bear with me as I get this mess together. I'll be back.
5 hours later.
Y'all, after all these hours, I am finally done. My baby look like a room. His room look like a room again. My baby room look like a room again.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you.